Yep. Huge. Huge. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are currently out here at Leech Lake. We are chasing some Tulibee and Whitefish. We're going to be staying in an ice castle because it is cold out. Pretty sure you guys can hear it. Shout out to Only Outdoors and Tanner out at Horseshoe Bay Lodge. Great people. Stick with us. Hopefully we can get on some fish. And we're on. Come on. Stay on. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. We might have to take the live scope out. Wish I had the other camera for you guys, but I don't. What we were after. Nice little Tulibee. That's a fish. Oh. One thing I hate about the live scopes. Yeah. I think it's another whitefish. Yeah. I got it, bro. I think. It feels pretty heavy. Yep. Huge. Huge.
God damn!
Jesus, man!
Holy shit, baby girl! God damn, you got 2 whitefish in a row.
I know. I'm in a little spot.
Yeah, that's sexy.
That's huge, dude.
Holy shit! God damn!
You like?
Damn.
Yeah, it's because I killed him really badly. Hell yeah, dude. That one's smaller. But yeah, this one's bigger.
Yeah, just bleed on it you can.
Yes, sir.
What are you seeing over here, though?
You see where I drilled that other hole?
Where?
Right behind. Right. It's bleeding everywhere. But look at that. Huge whitefish. Oh, I got one down. Oh, and I missed him. Oh, I missed him. They're just swimming up. Jeez, man. They're just swimming all around. Jeez, they're kind of hard to hold. Yeah, look at that, guys. Beautiful. I could say a little, what do we got? We got the Milwaukee Fuel with a Eskimo, both 8-inch.
Yep, 8-inch. Just a bit. Let me know when you're ready.
Oh.
You're gonna get a head start on me?
All right.
Hey guys, we got kind of a cool demonstration we're gonna try. We got some cool rentals out here. This is Jeff. He's using the Milwaukee Fuel with an Eskimo 8-inch blade. This is the new Maven with the 40 volt. So we're gonna test it out. We're going through about 20 to 22 inches of ice, and we're gonna give us a little countdown.
Yeah, by like 5 seconds.
There we go.
By 5 seconds, man.
By 5 seconds. Well, damn.
Didn't you have that one? Or that's the new one?
This is the new one. So I've always ran the 40 volt, but I might try it. It's kind of dirty. Is it light? Yeah,
This is where we'll be staying for the night. Nice little shack with Horseshoe Bay Lodge. I believe buddy's name is Tanner. Shout out Tanner. Pretty sweet.
Shoes instead of that. It has some alpaca in it though.
Yeah, I get those Omni wool socks.
Yeah.
Them bitches go stupid. Keep your feet dry.
Omni wool?
Yeah.
Is that a brand?
Yeah.
He was telling me about Hollow.
Huh?
Probably looking to you prices first.
Should I move the fucking truck or should you think I should keep it over there?
Keep it over there for now.
I'm
think it really
I'm
matters.
assuming we're gonna put the house up somewhere over there.
Yeah, I'd say we figure out a good highway spot and just stay there.
Hopefully I can get them out without getting stuck in the deucer.
Careful.
Yeah, he's
Got
stuck.
a fucking long rod too.
Alright.
That was a good one.
Decent. Yeah, just drop it. Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna smell like hay. What's up?
Nah, man, I'm telling you right now, it's that gets the tackle.
It is?
Yeah. Let me show you guys what I'm using real quick.
Pull your pants up.
Just a little spoon, gold spoon, and gets the tackle spiked, or with some spikes.
Still there. Still there. No way. That dead stick?
Kind of.
Oh. The fish came from. Came?
It came. Like, why you coming fast?
Are you coming slow?
What?
It feels pretty decent. But what's it called? Got a lot of water in here.
Holy shit. Yeah, it's still going. One like a big ball. It's Whitefish.
It's a whitefish.
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, real small. Squeeze it, bro.
I'm trying to, buddy. Hold on. You're making me nervous.
You know, there's a lot.
Oh. Yeah, Chino, you pay attention to your... You always tell me why you coming fast.
Crush, how you coming fast? Why you fucking coming fast?
Why are you coming fast?
Okay.
This nigga.
Bro, why?
Whitefish.
That's a small whitefish, but it still counts. Look at that.
See, bro? Is it really?
Yeah, it doesn't look like a Tulibee.
Oh, that isn't like that's way nice, dude.
I just want to show you guys how windy it is out here right now. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but look at that. Ooh-wee. Sure is beautiful though. Something at bottom creeping in. Oh! Yo. Yep, we just did it. Oh! I think it's a pike.
Oh. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Fucking shit's way fucking weird. That shit's going, bro.
Come on, please work with me. Hey, can you do me a favor? I'm just scared. I don't want to lose it. Oh, it's a pike, man. The way it's fighting. All right, let's see what we got. It's coming up now. It's coming up. Oh, I think it's a walleye, bro. Oh, son of a gun, it's a pike.
Yep. It's a pike. Nice.
Nice, bro.
Nice little blonde one.
The way I saw him hit, I was like, hell, that's a pike.
Dang.
I'm gonna go dump him at one of your guys' holes. Good morning.
He went like right past me and then right there.
It'd be good.
Tulibee?
Yeah, I believe so.
Be a Tulibee?
Feels pretty good.
Feels good. It's a whitefish.
Boy.
It's a whitefish?
Yep.
Damn, bro.
Well, tell me your secrets.
See, what you have to do is the pop pop.
Oh, say this.
I'm trying to grab him.
Holy shit. Holy shit. What the fuck is that?
Oh, come here. Oh, he's mad. He's mad now.
They're active right now, dude, actually.
There you go. Oh.
Just squeeze the gills together.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I just don't want it to bleed in here.
Fuck it.
I got him now.
Damn.
Another big ass one.
Beautiful. Hopefully I'm still recording. Hold on, bro. Just want to get it for the camera. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful whitefish. It's 8 in the morning out here right now. We just woke up. Having a beer. Breakfast. Breakfast of champions.
Down in the village. Mongolia.
Radar reel just went off. Rattle reel just went off. Oh, he feels heavy.
Let's see what my
I seen him on bottom, swimming around. And you know what it was? A sunfish.
Yes. Big old sunfish. Oh. My lie. Is it going?
Yeah, he's peeling.
Really?
I just don't want to snap it like last time.
Pike, maybe?
I don't know. We'll see right now. It's
Give
coming
me
up.
some of that extra slime up all over you if you want.
It's all good.
Is it?
Yeah, white bass. It is. Oh, he's right here. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Is it going? Did you see it?
I feel like it's a pike, bro.
Nah, don't say that. It's gotta be a better pike if you're fighting it like that, bro.
Yeah.
Oh. Saw the leader.
Yeah, he's right here somewhere. And it is a fat old pike.
Okay.
Move this lap scope a little
Pike.
bit.
It's another pike. Big one, I guess. Oh, nice. Holy shit.
Look at that, guys.
That's a good one.
Decent pike. Nice.
Even.
Here, you take a picture. You got his number.
Very good, very good. I'm proud of you, my son.
Thank you, baby girl. Look at that, guys.
Oh!
Beautiful pike. I've seen him. We were marking. I was marking him at least on the live scope. I was marking him and I was jigging because I thought it was a Tulibee. And he hit the minnow. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey guys, as you guys can see, I'm not at the lake anymore. I put the camera equipment away. We decided to pack up and leave. It was like -20 with the windshield. The fishing was overall still pretty good. Didn't skunk. That's all that matters. Shout out to Tanner out of Only Outdoors with the Horseshoe Bay Lodge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.